morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the euro-dollar, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The euro-dollar pair exploded 1.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The dollar dropped 0.9% against the yen in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair exploded 1.1% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. Shares of Tesla exploded 4.1% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
The Federal Reserve raised its target interest rate by 0.25 percentage point, yet continued to promise ongoing increases in borrowing costs as part of its still unresolved battle against inflation. The outlook for the global economy is growing slightly brighter as China eases its zero-COVID policies and the world shows surprising resilience in the face of high inflation, elevated interest rates, and Russia's ongoing war against Ukraine. Europe's economy is showing signs it may avoid a recession this winter, even as it continues to cope with persistent inflation, rising interest rates, and a war in Ukraine that shows no signs of abating. The region's statistics agency said the Eurozone economy grew 0.1% in Q4 2022.
Thank you. And now let's go through today's major economic events.
Germany's trade balance will be released at 0700 hours GMT. The French 10Y bond auction at 0950 GMT. Japan's 10Y bond auction at 0335 GMT. Australia's AIG Performance of Construction Index will be released at 2130 GMT. The US unit labour costs at 1330 GMT. The UK's Monetary Policy Summary at 1200 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial market.